We are on the Goldbelt Tram.
We're going to rise
Juneau.
1,800 feet above sea level at a slope distance of 3,100 feet. Total the mountain here is 3819. So once you get to the top, you only have 2,019 feet to climb on your own. I don't suggest you try to watch your ship go down the channel without you. That is a 5-hour round trip to go up to the top and back down. Underneath these power lines, they were seeing a bear. That one's earlier, and I don't see it now.
Goldbelt.
Bald eagle out to the right. Bald eagle out to the right.
On the tree.
He's actually seeing above his nest.
Oh.
Over there, yeah.
Where is he?
Oh, it's down to your left now. Okay.
We have 2 eagles that reside on this side of the mountain. That is one of them. They got named some years ago, Elvis and Priscilla. They're about as old as the tramway here.
Tram.
No, but yes, no, but who got named Elvis and Priscilla?
The eagles.
The eagle. You always nesting same place, huh?
Actually, that is a new nest. They left their old nest, which was a little bit further out. They moved closer to the tramway now.
But you're in the same area.
Yes, they pretty much dominate this part of the mountain. The only other eagles in